Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T Mike. This video is going to be on the prices for my restoration work. Been doing these restores for over 10 years now. I've done 172 of them so far. So the prices have changed from time to time. Here are the current prices. This is 2025, September 2025, and here's my current prices. So the full restore is $3,000. All right, for the full restore, you get everything taken apart except the power head, laid out, spread out on a bench, rebuilt gear case, carb kit, magneto completely rebuilt, all the seals, all the rubber changed, parts cleaned, painted, restored, barrel tested, lake tested, and videoed. So that's the full restore, done 170 of them. All right, the mechanical restore is $2,000. It's the same thing as the full restore, but no paint and decals. So completely rebuilt, not necessarily taken all the way apart, but rebuilt gear case, carburetor, and ignition magneto. All right. Then I offer a cosmetic restore, which kind of the opposite. Okay, not mechanical restore, just painted and decal. All right, and that's $1,500. Okay, so in review, the three restoration prices that I have are full restore $3,000, mechanical restore $2,000, and a cosmetic restore for $1,500. All right, so remember, always remember and never forget, here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Hey, you want to win a free prize? That's right, T Mike's giving away free prizes. All you got to do is go to T Mike's website, tmikevintageoutboards.com. The link is below, and find the link for T Mike's trivia quiz. There'll be a trivia quiz question on there, all about vintage outboard motors. Just answer the question and click submit, and at the end of the month, put your name in the hat, make a drawing. Whoever's got the first correct answer wins a prize for that month. All right. On the form, also, when you get there, at the bottom, it's got a section for a message. It says, talk about your vintage outboard motor or your experience with T Mike. So if you want to put some personal details down there, I might read a few of them out during the live stream. So win your monthly free prize, no cost. Just go to T Mike's website, tmikevintageoutboard.com, click on T Mike's trivia quiz, and answer the question. Here we go. I enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. If you did, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and catch all my videos. You know, my passion are these vintage outboard motors. Johnson and Evinrude, 1950s, 60s, and 70s, 3 horsepower to 18 horsepower. I think I have all the videos, over 500 videos, on everything you need to know to repair, service, and restore your vintage outboard motors. I have all the parts, all the videos, and all the parts manuals for you to do that. I love what I do. The best way to reach me is on my website, tmikevintageoutboards.com. You go to that website, I have links for everything you need. I have links for all the parts you need. If you don't know the parts you need, there's a link called the Parts Broker where you can fill out the form and submit it to me, and I'll find your part for you. All right. I also have a link for a mail-in repair service where you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, or your magneto. I'll repair it, video it, put it on YouTube, and ship it back to you. I also have a link for technical consulting. If you have a question, just fill out the link. There's a donation page if you want to help pay T Mike, and I'll answer your question and get back to you. That's the best way to reach me, is on my website, tmikevintageoutboards.com. I love what I do. It's been a great ride, and remember, always remember and never forget, here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.